The mystery of what was making those strange noises at night is solved. For a while, Gabby kept waking me up at night saying, "John, what was that?" We both heard something in the attic, so I set up a few cameras to monitor the areas I don't regularly check a few months ago. At first, I didn't catch anything on camera, which was a relief since it reassured me our attic was safe, but after some detective work, I eventually found lizard droppings inside the back of our house. Turns out they've been squeezing through tiny cracks between the soffit and fascia, which would help explain why this one little critter snuck all the way into our attic but didn't make it much further. And those gaps have only gotten bigger since that tree fell on our roof. So now I've got one repair job to handle, but at least we solved the mystery, so it's good to always have cameras keeping extra eyes on our home because it helped me find peace of mind in my own, but also helped me catch a few unexpected guests.